Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the file and locking in your workspace. Open PowerPoint, pick a template or blank presentation so you control layout. Once done, set slide size to 16:9 or standard depending on display. This prevents later resizing issues. Now save the file right away and choose a clear name and folder. This avoids lost work. Make sure Auto Recover is on in Options so you can recover progress after crashes. These first actions get everything organized for building slides. You now add slides and populate them with meaningful content. Insert a new slide and pick a layout that matches whether you need bullet lists, images, or two-column content. Consistency keeps the deck professional. Use placeholders for titles and body text, then choose one or two fonts and sizes for hierarchy so viewers scan easily. When adding images or shapes, use Align and Distribute to keep spacing even, and right-click Format to adjust color, border, and shadow for clarity and emphasis. You finish by polishing flow and preparing to share. Switch to Slide Sorter to scan order and timing, move or remove weak slides for a tighter narrative. Add simple transitions and rehearse timings, but avoid excessive animation that distracts. Before sending, export to PDF or MP4 to lock formatting. Check that fonts are embedded and linked files are included. If content jumps or fonts change, relink resources or embed fonts in Save Options. This fixes most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.